Well, this is our new trolling motor. We just installed it this year. So if you've seen some of the videos that are on our channel, you'll know that we did the video of the installation. What we did, it's a Minn Kota Edge 45 horsepower foot control trolling motor. We got our Lowrance Elite 4X HDI. No, I do not get paid to say this stuff. But anyway, here's what we're using today. About 3.5 feet below a bobber, we have a little gold-headed jig. This is a Crappie magnet. So all we're doing is just casting it out and jigging it as we go. And you'll see that they pull it under pretty easily. These things are so aggressive right now during spawning season. A lot of times you don't even have to do anything. I've had a couple times today, I've just thrown the daggone jig in there and it sank to the bottom. Something was on it before I even moved it. But I believe I have found where we need to be, and it is over here. There you go. We got one on. He's just a little one, but this is a crappie. And you'll find too that the males are very, very dark. Anyway, right now these fish are on structure. It's spawning season for them. So what you're going to find is they're going to be around logs, blown over treetops, and this time of year, fishing jigs or live minnows, either one, can be very, very deadly. So we know there's a couple other stumps right over here we usually have pretty good success on. So we're going to relocate and we'll get back with you here in just a second. Swan and geese during breeding season do not get along very well. Now today, everything we're doing is catch and release. I have a track meet tonight as I'm one of the coaches, and I don't have time to clean fish. So since I don't have time to clean them, I'm not keeping them. But I do enjoy a good meal of crappie, whatever you want to call it. Depends on what part of the country you're from. And this is where having the depth finder comes in handy. Don't know if you can see it down here, but even in the middle of all these cattail or lily pad stumps, stubs, whatever you want to call them, that's another good place too. See? Told you. Another little crappie. Like I said, guys, we're just jigging this thing around. No rhyme or reason to how we're doing it. See, I told you the males will get a lot darker. And sometimes you will get hung up. We're trying to make as little amount of noise as we possibly can. Every once in a while you'll catch a pretty decent one. There he was. I missed him the first time. Oh, he got off. The good news is if you can find one, you can probably find a lot more. There's one of the big ones. No, not really. Well, guys, we were going to go over here and fish these standing timber, but just know that it's a good place as well. The battery on this camera is about to die, so we're going to wrap this up. And again, I'm Chris with Big Dog Outdoors. Thanks for watching today, guys. If you haven't done so already, like the channel, or subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop us a comment below if you'd like to see us do more fishing. Take care, guys. Thanks, and have a great day.